Hi there, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be explaining to you guys how I install this camera in this 2012 Volt Transist Connect. So I'm going to take it through a few steps. So right here behind this glove box, let me remove it and show that's where I put the wires. Let me get the light. Okay, so behind here is where I install all the wires that go to the monitor and for power, and behind the foot wall here I get power from this side here behind this foot wall panel here, and I run the wire. Some of the wire come from that side, two of the wire come from that side, come through here. So I run the front cameras through that hole right there. I remove this piece of rubber piece and run the wire through there, go to the engine room, and let me show you at the front. So right here, so one of the camera that is installed on the bumper here. This is the other one right here, and it also comes with a remote control right there. So I install two of them on the front, and I'm also going to show you the one on the back. So I got one right here on the bumper, that's one right here, and the other one right here. And let me open the trunk. First let me get the key.
Yeah. I got the key already.
I have to drill some hole. There's a hole in the top there, so I need to clean up those mess right there and run the wire from the back, come down through here. So I run on the small wire to bring current from the reverse buzzer underneath the bottom. Go down to this place here. Go down, go to this side. I'm gonna show you over here in a few. And here, the other camera, I run it in this piece right here. Go down this side behind this panel. And let me open the trunk and show you. Alright guys, so here in the back, so you can see down to the back there, where I got that wire to the hole, and I fish it along the side there, and it come down through here, and I put some of the wire that roll up here because it's so long. Come down through here, so I have to use this piece of wire. Use this piece of wire here to fish it through. So this wire comes from the hubcap that we use on the car, the wheels. So that's what I use, guys. So the wire fish come all the way down through this place here. So what I do, I fish it from here, go up and get the wire through the post, come down, go all the way down to here to install the camera. Also on this side I do the same thing. I have to fish it from the door post, go all the way down to get it to work. And to connect the connection, I also make a connection right here. So this is the buzzer right here. When you put it in reverse, it beeps. So I run it from the red wire, connect it to the red wire right there, and go to the camera. There's a green wire on the camera that I installed it to. So on the camera, this is the green one right here, guys. This one, it go to that red wire that go to the buzzer on the back, or you can connect it to the reverse light wire. So when you put it in reverse, the camera come on. You show the back only. And behind here, I have to use a screwdriver to remove the cover, but I look for a 12 volt switch on and off wire behind this panel right here to power the camera system, the monitor. So that's it right there, guys. So I'm going to go back in the vehicle now, switch it on and change the different channels, so stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm back inside the vehicle, so I'm going to use the camera. So on the remote you can switch from different channels. So I'm going to go on number 1, and the remote again. Let's go number 2, number 3, number 4. Hold on. Number 4. And there you go, guys. And then we'll go to mode. That's the 2 back one right there. It's 2 front ones. That's the side one. The other side one. So it show front and both rear. So that's it right there, guys. There you go. So now it show you the rear and the front. So if I want to turn up the brightness, I go to menu and I use this arrow button to go down and up. So if you're driving at night, you can use the turn it down. You can change the contrast and all different settings on it. Right here, guys. Right, let me put it back to the screen I need it to go stay on. Alright, and there you go. So that's the settings I want to stay on, guys. As you can see, it's really clean. It's getting a bit dark now. It's night vision camera. It's waterproof. It's very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin the link in the description where you can get it from Amazon to install on your truck. Very nice camera. Simple and easy to install. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.